Hello world, I want to show you for those people that just install their AutoCAD on their system and don't know to go about it. They don't know how to start their drawing and how to arrange their coordinates on such platform. It's very simple. You just need to go to your AutoCAD that you just newly installed. You double click on it and wait for a while. Now you click on start drawing. Now there's some steps you need to take before you start any inputting any coordinate on this page. First, what you need to do is to go to format, then click on unit. You see it on your good. You make this as your decimal is already there. Make this to be at 0.00. Then it should be always at millimeters because you're dealing with millimeters. Then you make here to go on degree, minute and seconds because you are going both clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now you make this, you click on clockwise, you go to generic, click OK, then choose your direction, your location of your directions. Is it eastern, is it northern, is it west, is it south? Make it to be at north. You click OK, then you make it done. So at this particular scenario now, your page have been arranged and your design can start as soon. Now you go to your home page, click on drawing, click on multiple points, then start your inputting your coordinates, eastern and northern. Now if you don't have the coordinate been done, you can easily go to anywhere you have been derived your coordinate, or anywhere you have put your coordinate in, whether on your desktop or server. Now I have one example here, which is them. You can see it on my screen. You double click on it, you highlight it using your Ctrl A, you copy it into your Excel format, then you paste it here, and you concatenate your ABC cells. And you know your cells are a combination of rows and columns. You come to formulas, come to text, then click on concatenate. Now the first one you're concatenating is B1, C1 and what? D1. Cell B1, cell C1. As you can see now, this is cell B1, cell C1 and cell D1. Now you type B1, then comma C1, comma tab. You click on tab for it to enter another segment. Then you click on what? D1, then press enter. Now cell B, C and D have been concatenated. You extend the cell, and if you like, you double click on it, then all the other cell will be filled up, concatenated. Now you copied all words you have concatenated and paste it here on your AutoCAD. You say Ctrl V, it has been pasted already. Then you escape, you press Z, that is zoom. You want to zoom now, enter, then E, which is extend, enter. And you can see this is all your points that have been inputted from your notepad, concatenated on Excel into AutoCAD. If you want to see it very clear, you can see come directly to your point style. point style. You change it to any style you want, and you increase the unit as well, maybe make it 40. Then you click enter. Now this is just a starting point, and for those that are just they want to know more about the AutoCAD and to know how to plot an AutoCAD, this is a simple way to follow. We still have other ways by using command prompt, which can be used through command. Then there's still other ones coming, but as a starter you want to know how to arrange your page and to start something new. So I believe this should be enough for now. Thank you for watching this. In my next page I'll show you on how to arrange your coordinates, how to run offset, how to measure them, and how to align them in the right position. Thank you for watching.